If you're a non-Italian living in Italy, a question you might wish to ask other foreign nationals or travelers you meet is,
Parli italiano?
which means, do you speak Italian?
Parli italiano?
Parli is the second person singular of the verb
Parlare.
to speak, to talk, whereas italiano means Italian. Note that the names of languages aren't capitalized in Italian. Before we proceed any further, it's important to be aware that this is the informal way of posing the question. Most teenagers and young adults prefer this form when addressing their peers, regardless of whether or not they know each other well.
Parli italiano? Certo, lo parlo molto bene.
Do you speak Italian? Of course, I speak it very well. If you're addressing an older stranger or someone of a higher status than yourself, however, the formal alternative
Parla italiano?
is preferred.
Parla italiano? Sì, lo parlo abbastanza bene.
Do you speak Italian? Yes, I speak it fairly well. Some possible responses to this question include
Sì, un po', un pochino.
yes, a little.
Sì, molto bene.
Yes, very well.
Sì, certo.
Yes, of course.
No, non lo parlo molto bene.
No, I don't speak it very well.
No, mi dispiace.
No, I'm sorry.
No, parlo soltanto inglese.
No, I only speak English. What's interesting about this expression is that you can also say,
Parli l'italiano?
with the determiner l'apostrofo, the, in front of Italian. Literally, this translates as, do you speak the Italian? Both versions are grammatically correct, but their usage varies across different regions. Some Italian speakers swear by italiano on its own, whereas others would find it funny to leave out the determiner. This rule only applies to the verbs
Parlare,
to speak, talk,
insegnare,
to teach,
studiare,
to study, with other verbs such as
apprendere,
to learn, assimilate,
imparare,
to learn,
conoscere.
to know, the determiner is required.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.